Come on. I am using dog skis. Real quickly, there's the seatbelt plug, and it was unplugged the whole dang time. We own this truck, and I'll show you that it works real quick. So then I'm going to unplug it again, because it is pretty annoying here. I'll start it up too. Yeah, the seatbelt thing was unhooked this whole time. But I'm going to disconnect it again so it don't go off. I think I'll disconnect the red trucks too and the buses again. And the blue trucks because, I mean, they're all annoying because you want to just... Because, you know, I like to start stuff right up and I just don't like to wait for the dinger to go off all the time. So. Yep, I'm definitely going to unplug it again because it's annoying. I don't know if the seatbelt light went off at all on this every time you move, but yep, there you go. Do it one more time. Yeah, well, I mean, it still don't work with the... And that's... My dad actually unplugged it when his dad, which is my grandpa, owned this truck because he didn't like it. And the thing didn't work anyway, which is this. I mean, it works when you turn the key on. But it wouldn't be the white truck if the seatbelt thing was connected, so. Now it's the white truck again. The red truck wouldn't be the same if it didn't have it plugged in, but but I'm gonna plug that one. And now it won't work. There you go. Oh, here it goes. Dang it. Alright, it's because it hasn't been started for a long time. Plus, it's never seen the winter. And plus, it's 27.